Hi. Hi. We're making white mulligatawny.
We need what's this?
Apple cider vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons. Half a teaspoon red chili powder.
Or you can call cumin.
That's not cumin.
You can use cumin too if you like.
Yeah.
We can use two teaspoons of ground black pepper.
Need ground black pepper. And what's this? Orange
Half
chili?
a teaspoon of paprika.
Paprika. And now we have paprika. We have this. This is coconut milk.
We are only gonna use 4 ounces or half a cup.
Half a cup. So that's
Some chicken. We can use half a chicken.
half a chicken, of course.
Ginger, cilantro,
And
1.5 bulbs of garlic,
garlic,
3
onion,
green chilies,
and 1 onion,
half an onion,
actually.
and we're using some herbs that we have at home. We can skip that altogether or use any herbs that's available with us.
This is one of the herbs. So what's it called?
This is dill.
And this one, this leafy one.
I don't know. I'll find out.
Later.
Yes. And instead of the vinegar, we can use any other acid
like
lime juice or tomatoes.
or even some kind of lemon juice.
Yes. We found out the names of all the herbs that we have. This is rosemary. This is sage.
So, spinach.
This is marjoram.
Marjoram.
And this is upland cress.
Look like Coca-Cola.
And this is cilantro or coriander leaves.
Yes, which she already said.
My Amma's name is Rosemary.
No! No!
Kom hem med videon. Jag läser den. Jag läser nästa till nu. Vad?
Cut it out. 3,
Gick kvar det gånger?
3, 2, 1, action.
We made a marinade out of all the ingredients plus turmeric half a teaspoon.
And
That's what we added into this.
we forgot. So he was wondering, where's the turmeric?
Yes. So we're gonna add this into a pot.
So I'm gonna do the adding. I'm gonna put this in. Right. I'm gonna put this in carefully, and I'm gonna take and.
We cooked this chicken for 45 minutes.
45.
And now we're gonna add a cup of water.
A big cup.
And we're gonna cover it and let it cook.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
I like the color.
We're gonna take out
Wow.
our chicken because we don't want it to boil too much. Just the chicken pieces. We're gonna take out each and every chicken piece out of the pot and let the soup cook. We took out all the chicken from the soup and we made chicken chips out of our chicken skin. So we got some chicken fat left over from the chicken skin chips recipe, and we are going to use that fat to temper these chicken pieces because we don't use oil. We tempered the chicken. Now we're going to add it back to our soup. And we are going to add some coconut milk. You're going to add 4 ounces of thick coconut milk. Actually 4.5, 5. We added like 6 ounces of thick coconut milk because most of the water that I added had evaporated. If you want a bigger soup, you can add more water. Our soup is ready.